Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast for another second International Diecast unboxing. A big shout out to all my subscribers, hope everyone's doing fine. I was out at a local shopping mall today and I did pick up quite a few new castings. A lot here is going to be sent off to Red Trucks, Jim at Red Trucks, so hopefully you haven't got any of these, Jim. They were fairly cheap, and surprising the amount of fire trucks that are available. I did get a few from Majorette, one from Siku, and they all look pretty nice. There's a couple that are the same, but they've just got, one's got Japanese tampos on it, and it's got the English version as well. So, Jim, these will be coming your way. Hopefully you'll enjoy them and haven't got them. And I did get about 3 from Motor Max, a Pontiac GTO, looks like a Lamborghini, a Porsche 356, then a Porsche 934 from Majorette, looks really nice. And this it's called, manufacturer's called Seiko, so it's got some nice castings in there. I'm sure Jim would be interested in this one, but the rest you may not be, but you can get rid of them. But yeah, this is a nice set as well. I'm sure you'll like that one. Just, I can't see the manufacturer, it just says die-cast metal. But anyway, I won't open these fire trucks. The only one I can open is the CQ one. That's easy. I'll slide that out. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. So, looks nice. Got the ladder which comes up and extends. Plastic tyres. And this is, what's this one? It's German, so whatever that means. But anyway, yeah, she's a nice roller. Blue glass, blue windshield, a couple of lights on the roof. Yeah, all in all, hope you like that one. And the next one is from Majorette, from their SOS cars, a MAN truck. Looks like it's got a bucket on the top, a ladder which tilts up by the looks and swivels. And it'd probably be plastic tyres. Yeah, so looks quite nice. And the next two, I'll just show them side by side. Same casting, but just different graphics on the side. Sorry, the phone just slipped. I'm in the pool, so it's a bit awkward one-handed. They're both Mercedes, just different tampos. So, yeah, when you go looking, my God, there's hundreds of versions of fire trucks. And then we've got this multi-pack, and it's from, oh, it just says made in China. But there's some nice castings in there. Ambulance. I'm sure Jim would like these two the most. Emergency sign, helicopter, and a water tanker. Oh no, it's a petrol tanker. And a boat, I think. Yeah, hovercraft. So yeah, that was a good find. I think it was only like $10, so it was good for a multi-pack. And this Seiko set, you got a little Jeep, another rig, and another tanker, and some sort of water or off-road vehicle. Then an emergency truck or a SUV, all in red. So hopefully you like all of these, Jim. And then we'll open up this Motor Max. It's a Pontiac GTO in orange. I've already opened it because it's awkward holding a phone and trying to open these things. No opening parts, but it's a fairly nice looking vehicle. Raised suspension. Doesn't have suspension, but it rolls nicely. Hidden headlamps. Tempered fog lamps. Chrome bumper, no tail lamp details, just the GTO badge on the boot lid. But yeah, I thought this was only like $2.50, it was really cheap. And the next one, we'll open this, I think it's a Lamborghini. Doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure it's a Lamborghini. Diablo or something. Looks nice, really lowered. Like the choice of wheels on it. Nice yellow colour. Tempered brake lamps and indicators. A couple of exhausts in the middle. Nice choice of wheels. See the cockpit. Tempered headlamps. Lamborghini badge on the front. Twin mirrors. And she rolls really nicely. And then the next one is this Porsche 356 or Porsche Boxster. Also in yellow. Front looks a little bit raised up. I don't think it's got suspension. No. But there's the interior. Got sun visors on top of the windshield. Twin rear view mirrors. Not really keen on these wheels. I think the wheels on this Lamborghini look way better. Yeah. It's got inserted brake lamps. I think they're not painted, they look like they're plastic. Single exhaust in the middle, metal body and plastic base. Yeah, I think these are about 1/64 scale. And silver finished headlamps, orange marker lights. And then the next one is this Porsche 934 from Mary Durrett. This is going to be a bit difficult. It's got an inside package as well. Sorry about the noise. This has got opening doors, working suspension, Nice gloss white paint. Big whale tail at the back. Inserted headlamps. Painted rear brake lamps and indicators. Rear deck wing. And of course she's going to roll perfectly. So that's my little haul for today, my second international unboxing. So I'll just do a quick recap. Got the Majorette Porsche, the Motor City Porsche, Lamborghini, Pontiac GTO, and then all of these awesome fire trucks. So yeah, scored well today. So hopefully you've enjoyed this little clip. If you have, hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe. Subscription is free and it really does help me out to get these videos out there. So once again, thanks for dropping by, and we'll catch you on my next international video. Cheers for now.